Hi guys, how you doing? Hey, another little bonus video. Okay, first and foremost, before we go any further, I must say a heartfelt thank you to Mark Davis. Mark Davis has been astonishingly kind to me and this channel. So I just want to say a heartfelt thanks to Mark Davis. Mark Davis has gifted me today's unboxing. Look, there it is. I won't show you that bit because my address is on there and I'm not having hordes of cheerleaders sending me fan mail and pictures. No. So what we'll do is we're going to do a little unboxing here. I know what it is. It was a lovely surprise. I know what it is. Mark Davis knows what it is. But you guys, you don't know what it is. So let's get that in there. I just wanted to do a very quick unboxing really, just to say thank you to Mark. Here it is. Any clues? Any? I want to save that carefully. Look at that there. I got that's a sticker. That's a little sticker, that. That's lovely. That's one of the nicest stickers I've ever seen, that. And dry skin, I suffer from dry skin. Hey, look, a card. No. There you go. Any clues yet? Anybody guess? Anybody guess what it is? Look at this. I still can't believe that I'm doing this for this. Look at this. So what we'll do is get that out there. We'll put that box somewhere down here because I want to keep that box. And there she blows. Look at that presentation. Absolutely wonderful. So let's have a look. That's like an authentic wax seal. I want to keep that if I can. To shall we see, I want to keep that wax seal. I'm not so much bothered about the ribbon. Oh, actually, sorry Mark if you're watching and screaming, no, the ribbon. Yeah, there you go. I want to keep that. So what I'll do is I'll try and cut around this. I don't want to damage it, you see, so I may get a pair of scissors and cut around that and just keep that in the box with this. There you go. You're all thinking, just get on with the razor, man, aren't you? Here we go. Look at this. Look at that absolute beauty. There you go. There's a little, well, to John from Mark. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mark, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Let's get this out. It's got Gillette blue blades in there. And have a look at that little bad boy. Look, it is absolutely beautiful. A work of art. This razor, it really, really is. And I cannot wait to shave with it. Let's take the bottom off. What do we say here? I'm going to get it the right way up because people do like to see the bottom 0320. I don't know if those numbers mean anything to anybody, but there you go. There's the base plate. Absolutely wonderful, and that's it. So feel free also if you'd like to thank Mark in the comments below, because that's going to be getting used in the razor. In the shave. There you go. We'll put that back. That's going to be getting used tomorrow. Really looking forward to it. I'm going to try and figure out what blade to put in it. I like that Gillette silver blue. They've put that in it. Maybe put that in it because they will feel that that's probably the best blade for it. Got to try and find a good shave now, guys. We'll put one together. Titanium razor and a titanium brush. So thanks to you for watching. Thank you once again to Mark. have a great Friday evening, guys, and I will see you tomorrow for the Saturday shave. And we know already it's going to be a good one, don't we? Bye.